At DataArt, we redefine how teams approach AI. We created an AI agentic solution that turns written test cases and their steps into fully executed tests on iOS and Android. This saves time, boosts reliability, and keeps your mobile test suites always up to date. In this video, I would like to demonstrate to you an example of how AI can help with mobile apps testing and even automation. So in this example, you can see the test case described on the screen, and we have an iOS emulator open. And we expect this test case to be executed and results to be provided. Also in the instructions, I'm adding that in case of any issues, the system should post the issue directly in Jira. And actually, this test case was developed this way to get the last step to fail, and we will see how it's going to perform the needed actions. As you can see, the second step, add a medication, actually contains some extra steps to be performed. So it's not just one step to be able to add a medication. AI understands what kind of steps and actions it needs to take to actually complete step number 2. As you can see, it's automatically performing all the needed actions for the medication to be added. So the simple step number 2 requires multiple actions, and it's really close to a real-life test case when you're not going to describe all your steps and describe each step like click here or click there. You will have simply add or perform something just to continue doing some other actions. And as you can see, AI understands how to perform such more complex steps by having just one simple instruction. It is actually right now performing a lot of steps to be able to complete this instruction. So step number 2 is completed. Now it needs to check that the tablets are added and then click Edit, try to delete them, and make sure that they're deleted and not added to the archive or any other place. But on the last step, it's written a bit incorrectly on purpose, just to demonstrate what can be the next step if some issue is detected. So right now it's removing the item, and it needs to verify that the item is not present on the screen and anywhere else, but it's going to fail here right now. And the next step is supposed to create a bug report because the expected result is not right. And the result we're going to see on this board as soon as it's created. And as you can see, a new issue was created. We can click on it and see the exact steps, expected results and actual results, environment, and all the needed information for the bug report to be taken by the developers. So this was quite a simple demonstration of how AI can perform test cases, using iOS and Android emulators and even create bugs when it finds some issues. Thank you for your attention.